G'day, my name's Mark Arblaster. This is my car. It's a 1970 Valiant Coupe from Australia. I work as a contributing editor, journalist for Street Machine. I have a monthly column there, Urban Warfare, that we write about pro street cars and drag racing mostly, and generally things that are pretty wild to drive on the street. This car I brought from Sydney last year for Drag Week. It started out with a stock 5.3 LS in it, with a Power Glide and a Borg Warner S480. It's got a 9-inch rear end. We were racing the car on a 235 tyre. On the 235 we'd run 9.1 at just on 151 mile an hour. The car weighs 3,700 pounds. This year we've tried to step it up a little bit. It's the usual story, leaving it to the last minute. I think the golden rule for Drag Week is don't bring a car here expecting to sort it, bring a sorted car already. This year we put some better cylinder heads on it. We put a bigger turbocharger on it. We got rid of the small log manifolds and put some nice 4-in-1 pipes on it. We changed the rear end ratio from a 3.0 to a 3.9. Fitted a gear vendor to the car. We've had a couple of teething problems over the last few days. We're hoping today to run into the bottom 9s, possibly the high 8s. We're just creeping up on it a bit at a time. Unfortunately, with the volume of cars that you've got here at Drag Week, you don't have the luxury of making 3 or 4 passes every day, so we're going to try and hit it when the track's cold this morning. With a bit of luck, we'll run a decent number. If not, we'll back up and have another go at it this afternoon. So, yeah, we're still in the hunt here. We're loving being here at Drag Week. It's awesome to be around so many like-minded people and so many beautiful cars. So we'll catch you soon.